how to connect GoDaddy domain to Wix. So the first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website. Now click on your name in the top right corner and go into My Products. Here from the products page, we want to locate the domain section and just click on DNS next to the domain that you want to connect to Wix. Now here we will go into forwarding, and where it says domain, we will click on add forwarding, and now we will go into Wix and we want to get our website URL. So I'll just view the live website and I'll right click and copy my URL. Then I'm going to go back into GoDaddy and I'll paste my link here, and we can choose the type of forwarding that we want. So permanent, temporary, or forward with masking. You can look those up and what they mean. And basically after we have done this, we'll click on save, and this will begin the process, and it's going to take up to 48 hours to update. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.